Let's talk about something I call the boob factor. And no, that's not clickbait. This is a real issue that affects thousands of business owners, and it's hurting their bottom line. The boob factor is the outdated and frankly dangerous assumption that any woman in proximity to a business must naturally be capable of managing the books. Your Aunt Betty, your cousin Sue, your wife, your girlfriend, your mother-in-law, if she's got boobs, surely she can handle QuickBooks, right? Wrong. This isn't domestic work, this is financial stewardship, and it deserves respect, experience, and actual expertise. This assumption doesn't just offend professionals like us, it hurts that business. Business owners are unknowingly putting their financial health in the hands of people who were never trained, never asked, and often feel guilted into the role. That's not strategy, that's setting someone up to fail. And worse, it keeps real bookkeeping professionals, especially women, from being seen as the experts that they are. Here's what people need to understand. Bookkeeping is a trade. It is a skill set, a profession, a system of logic and precision that requires training, judgment, and ongoing education. It is not a default personality trait assigned to women by virtue of birth or boobs. You wouldn't hand off your legal contracts or tax planning to someone just because they seem like they should be good at it. Where's the logic? Why do we keep doing that with our books? We change the narrative by calling it out and raising the standard. Bookkeepers, own your role like the strategic asset you are. Business owners, invest in professionals, not proximity. And to everyone else, stop assuming women are born with built-in financial software. Let's honor bookkeeping as the powerful, essential trade that it is, and let's make space for those who've trained, studied, and earned that seat. So the next time someone tries to pass the books to cousin Kate because she's good with coupons, speak up, because bookkeeping isn't about boobs, it's about business. And if you're a professional who's done the work, you deserve to be seen, respected, and paid accordingly. If you've ever felt this kind of assumption in your work, drop a firebomb in the comments. Hit like and subscribe for more unapologetic truths from Maven Systems. Let's keep raising the bar one truth bomb at a time. And as always, if you've got another 4 minutes, we've got another episode. Up next, how outsourcing bookkeeping saves big money and how you can sell that truth.